DPZ stock, is it a buy or a sell? Where is it going from Friday and onward? How am I taking advantage of this one? So Domino's Pizza is 408 bucks, and I'm gonna, like, this is weekly chart, so quite of an interesting take, but still quite bullish from this. And you can see I had my blue lines pointing towards the upside here, but like, nah, it's not lying. I'm still genuinely open like that. Relatively speaking, for the current price action though, I am seeing the lows getting cleared out. It's like I'm a future teller, fortune teller. Now, honestly speaking, in the last like 29,000 videos that I've done in situations like this, most of the times the bearishness wins. So that's what I'm picking up with. So if you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. And this is my genuine 2 cents on it. Obviously, just by sticking to my approach. Very subjective. Let me hear your thoughts.